What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I've got big energy in this one because the sun's out, it's a great day, it's warm, it's no raining, and we're going to show you the next car that you guys could own for a fiver. But first things first, I need to get it cleaned up because if you've seen in the last video, a flight path of birds went across and like literally shat over everything. So we've got a lot of cleaning up today. Before I show you, I want to get it nice and clean. Come on. One thing that didn't have a lot of energy was this battery. This has been sitting a wee while, the old girl's been sitting, so we need to get a wee bit of life, but we're almost there. She's a runner. As you guys know, we've been cracking on with the Volkswagen Scirocco, but we're at a point where it's taken me a wee bit longer to get the next video done, just because of the amount of work involved. So I could stick to the Wednesday, Friday schedule, I decided it was time to show you the next giveaway car. Some of you already know, some of you's made a pick on what wheels we were going to put on it, but this is the first time you're actually going to get to see the car and find out what we're doing with it. There we go, all clean. I can finally let you guys see it. It is an Audi A4 B6 1.6 petrol. It is an SE model if I remember correctly. It's a beautiful metallic green when it was new. At the moment it's a bit sad looking and faded and loads of marring on it. Some of you guys might actually recognise the car because we done a load of work on it last year and we put a whole new steering rack and everything on it. We've done a whole video on it which you can see up here somewhere. I'll leave it in one of the tags somewhere. I'll leave a link in the description as well. But we've done a poll on this before and you guys decided that you wanted to upgrade the wheels to an OEM Plus wheel. So I have sourced some Audi Le Mans. They're in a gunmetal grey at the moment. They're going to go on the car. The next poll we're going to do is probably a suspension related one, whether you want springs, standard ride height or coilovers on it. So obviously the car's not perfect, but we don't buy perfect cars because we like to do them up, we like to restore them, we like to put our own wee touch on them, and we're going to do exactly the same with this but with your help. So there will be polls, like I said, suspension, wheels, you guys will get to pick. This is actually a pretty solid car at the moment. It's low mileage, it's only done 88,000 miles. It's an original Dundee Audi car. Came from up in Dundee. I think it's only a couple of owners, I'm not sure, I need to double check, but it's been well looked after at some point in its life. And now it's just got a bit tatty. One of the biggest problems with this car is right here. This 1.6 petrol engine is currently burning more coolant than it is petrol. So it needs a head gasket rebuild. So I've already organised all the parts. It's going to get stripped down to Gilmore's. Again, you'll see all this on video. We'll get the cylinder head down to Gilmore's, we'll get it pressure checked, we'll get it skimmed. We'll do a full engine rebuild on this, so it'll be good to go. As you know, the steering rack's already been done. It is very, very clean and tidy under here and very presentable. It's had new auxiliary belts, new tensioners, whole load of new stuff on it already. It's also going to need some brakes on it. Again, we'll probably run another poll on that, whether you want standard brakes put on it or whether we put some M-Tech discs or something on it or something like that. We'll do that anyway. The next problem, this is probably its biggest problem, is in here. Just look at the state of that. Not only is it a horrible colour, it is absolutely filthy, and it smells like somebody smoked 100,000 fags in there. Not even nice fags, like cheap camel fags for Turkey or something. I don't know. It is honking, but we've got a plan. We have got a plan for this, and it's a great plan. Let me fill you in on it. God, I've actually got the sun in my eyes here, but I'm not going to complain about it, because I normally complain about the rain. It's great to see the sun. So, as you guys know, I myself have got an Audi A4 B6 saloon. You've probably seen it on the channel before. We've done loads of videos on it, machine polishing it. We've put Porsche wheels on it. It's got the rear Vector body kit on it. It's a remapped 1.9 TDI with 200 and something brake horsepower. The trouble is, my Audi A4's very, very tired. It needs all new suspension. The arms need done. It's getting a little bit crusty underneath. It's hitting 160,000 miles. It also had a bit of a starting fault, so I've got an issue with the speedo clocks, a bit of a loose connection. So it's got its issues, and I've been weighing up my options, and at this moment in time, the car doesn't really owe me anything. But it's going to take a whole load of time and money to put back to the way I would want it. So what I decided to do was bring it back up here. I'm going to tear it to bits, and we are going to use all the rear parts, all the nice parts, all the nice black interior, because I've got full black headlining and everything, and we are going to put it all onto this car. The only thing I'm not going to put on it is my Porsche wheels, because I'm keeping them if I ever find an estate one of these, or a B5 estate. So I'm keeping my Porsche wheels, but the rear Vector body kit, all the nice black interior, the nice steering wheel, all the good stuff is going to go into this giveaway car. So we'll get rid of that manky interior, put the nice black one in. I'm going to put all the Vector body kit on it. It's going to get resprayed, it's going to get the S-type grills and everything put on it. It'll get this boot spoiler, and it'll be pretty much a copy of my rear Audi A4 B5. And then of course we'll do all the paintwork on it as well. Not a full respray, but we'll touch it up here and there. We'll paint the kit, we'll do the bottoms of the doors. The front wings on this really need done, because it's had 2 new replacement wings, as most Audi A4s have, and somebody that done the paint job on them, I don't know what they were doing, but there's a tsunami runs on both wings, so they need painted. So yeah, I'm going to fire the whole load onto that, get it all painted, and then we're going to give it away to one of you guys in a raffle. Right guys, so if you have been following the channel for a while, you'll know we've already had some raffles. We've done some tools, we've raised money for charity, we've raffled off a BMW 320 diesel, so this will go down the exact same path. It's going to be £5 a ticket. There's no minimum ticket sales, there's no maximum ticket sales. Whatever sells, sells. It's £5 a ticket. For the first month of the raffle, we're going to run an added bonus. So there'll be free tickets available only for the first month. I'm going to run this raffle for, I think, 2 months. That'll give me time to do a load of videos on it. You guys can watch the build, you can see the kit going on, you see the wheels going on, we'll do all the suspension. So you guys will be able to follow the build, you can purchase your tickets on the way through, you can vote on the polls to see what you want done to the car, and then at the end of it, one of you guys will win this for a £5. So if you buy 1 ticket and you win it, happy days. If you buy 7 tickets, you've only spent £35 and you'll still win it for a £5, because there's only 1 winning ticket. We're going to donate some of the proceeds of this to charity as well. So whatever happens, a bit of money will be going to a charity. I've not picked a charity yet. I'm going to set the raffle up tonight. Hopefully I can get the raffle sorted when this video is out. If not, there'll be a link in the comments and the description section for it anyway. We'll try and get that set up. But I just wanted to let you guys see it. This is it. This is what we're giving away. It's going to be a build. You guys are going to influence it, and one of you guys are going to take it home. So there we go guys, nice wee short one. I'm going to crack on working on the Scirocco. I just wanted to let you guys see this, get you involved and get this raffle started. I'm going to go and crack on with the Scirocco and get some more work done on that for the Friday video. I just wanted to let you guys see this, because at the moment I need to go and organise getting my Audi back so I can strip it. I'm also going to do the first video in the next couple of days, stripping the engine down and taking the head down to Gilmore's, so you guys will see that. And I'll also put a poll out for the suspension as well, so you can vote on what suspension you want. But yeah, this is going to be a sick giveaway guys. I can't wait for one of you guys to take away well, essentially what one of my favourite cars was, you're going to win it, and it'll be even better than mine. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, comment, share, do all that good stuff, guys, and we'll see you on Friday.